is quiet on the Western Front here in New Mexico, in Las Vegas, New Mexico. Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. This is an impromptu video, a short little video, just an update. I'm currently still in Las Vegas, New Mexico. The blizzard is just about over and is passing. It's moving northward to Colorado. However, at the present moment, we are still stuck here in Las Vegas because all routes accessible to the vehicle that I have are not accessible to me. They're closed. So we're just waiting to see if I-25 South opens up on this little stretch here. We will be able to hit the road later today. The frontage road is open. However, we're trying to avoid that just because even though it is accessible, it is still difficult getting through. And our little rental car vehicle, it's probably not best to do that. So if the weather improves, there's no more snow later though today, we might try that later to try to get to where the interstate actually is open. But so far right now, we're just here still stuck in Las Vegas, New Mexico. It was a blizzard. They had over 2 feet of snow here. And yeah. Just look at those mountains. Well, this has been another adventure in TV Land. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.